Hello, hello. Magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon sa lahat. Gerard Claudio here. Kamusta guys? Sa video na to ang pag-uusapan natin is ano ba yung isang strategy na nag-save sa akin sa pag-network? Okay, so just to give you an idea lang, no? For those po hindi nakakaalam, I'm an active network marketer as of now and I've been in network marketing for more than 10 years na. So nagsimula po ako sa network marketing, naalala ko lang, sobrang amazing lang yung feeling nostalgic, no? Sabi ko, sige, i-share ko to. Inaalala ko, sabi ko, ano ba, nireview ko yung mga first few moments, first trainings ko, first encounter ko sa network marketing. It's really nostalgic na yung mga mentors before, sobrang galing nilang tatayo sila sa training, tapos grabe sila mag-encourage. And not only encourage, actually hindi encourage, i-challenge talaga yung mindset mo na you started to question yung ano mo ba, yung parang ko sabihin, like you started to question your belief. And thanks to the mentors and thanks to the upline na talagang nag-encourage sa akin personally. Kasi alam mo yun, nabuhay yung pangarap ko dito sa network marketing. And yun yung po yung dahilan ko bakit nagka-create ako ng content. Kasi most probably, marami sa inyo dito nanonood sa akin right now na meron kang confusion kung tama ba yung naging decision mo kung nag-network marketing ka. So regardless of your company, product, or compensation plan, as long as legit po yung company na napasukan ninyo, gusto ko lang pong sabihin na bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng pagkakataon na matutunan siya. And isa po itong page ko sa isa sa mga references na gusto kong maging daan so that people will somehow understand na merong tamang pamamaraan na hindi ka nang hype, hindi ka nang loloko ng iba. Alam mo, you don't make over promises, pero kaya mong manalo sa negosyong ito. Tama ba? So anyway, just would like to say this, no, na yun po yung unang encounter ko sa network marketing. As in, it's really amazing. Sobrang amazing lang talaga na experience ko. Now, yun yung sa mind setting o yung pagpaprogram sa amin, yun talaga. Pero, yung strategy na naturo sa akin before was offline ako. Offliner talaga. Uh, I mean, I really master offline. Pupunta ka sa mga barangay, pupunta ka sa mga out of town, and alam mo yun, may tamang posisyon kung paano ka uupo sa restaurant. Like, you get two tables, yung isang table, dun yung apply mo, tapos ikaw, tapos susundin mo yung apply mo dun sa client mo, yung prospect mo, yung mga ganong klaseng style. And paano ba yung positioning ng yung prospect mo kapag nasa coffee shop kayo and all. All of this very neat and great detail for offline. And kung mag-big group presentation kayo, ano yung big group, ano yung mga, yung decorum, ano ba yung mga, and these are amazing strategy, I'll tell you. These are amazing strategy. Now, if you're gonna ask me, Gerard, ito bang strategy ng pag-offline, nag-work pa ba right now sa generation natin? Oh, the straight answer is absolutely nag-work pa siya. Okay? Gusto ko lang sabihin yun. And, but this is what I wanted to tell you. The downside to that is, ang isang bagay na napansin ko, nung time na yun, nung nagbe-build ako, medyo magastos talaga akong offline. And lalabas ka sa coffee shop, uupo ka sa coffee shop, and then you do your thing. You meet up with your client, and most of the time, minsan Indian ka pa. And the number of people that you reach out, nare-reject ka pa. Alam mo, ang daming mga uh, gastos talaga. Kasi syempre kung uupo ka uupo ka sa coffee shop, syempre bibili ka. Or nasa restaurant, bibili ka. Or kahit yung pamasahe mo and all. So, kung nagsisimula ka sa network marketing, most probably, usually, syempre, babudgetin mo yung budget mo. Babudgetin mo yung pera mo, no? Which is, majority of the time, hindi natuturo yung budgeting. Hindi na natuturo yung budgeting. So, this is what I have realized. Sabi ko, is there a better way to really do network marketing? And ito pa yung isang bagay na gusto kong i-emphasize, no? Hindi na ako guys nagko-compute kasi alam ko negative eh. Ibig kong sabihin negative, ang laki ng nilabas namin na pera, pero yung expenses ko everyday. Expenses ko everyday. Pero hindi ako nakaka-convert ng prospect or pay-in. And yung ganong klase ng pag-build ng business namin, kikita ka nga pero ang laki ng cut doon sa expenses. Again guys, hindi ako nagko-complain. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo yung other part nun as well. Until such time, sabi ko, is there a better way to do this? Now, the turning point was the pandemic. So, nung pandemic, nag-network pa ako nun, guys. And then, as amazing, sabi ko, pwede palang gawing online. Kasi wala ka namang ibang choice eh. Kundi, ano bang choice mo, di ba? Kundi makapag-usap sa tao online. Sabi ko, bakit hindi ko aralin yung online? And I started to reach out to people, content and all. Nagko-content ako pero hindi pa ako marunong. Hindi ako marunong guys, as in, pero nagsa-start ako. Pero curious ako, gusto kong aralin. Paano ba to? Ano ba yung gagawin ko dito? Ganun yung understanding, ganun ko siya tinitingnan. Until na I started to really make a decision. Sabi ko, aaralin ko ang online. There, I discovered the word branding and right messaging. So, to cut the long story short, yung branding at saka yung messaging, paano mag-create ng tamang mensahe to attract the right people, saved my network marketing business. Kasi, right after the pandemic, ang style kasi sa community namin, lalo na sa company na involved ako right now, offline talaga. And I have nothing against it. I have a high respect to my mentors and coaches. It's just that, if balik offline ako, and in fact, pinagtatawanan ng online sa amin, kanya-kanyang style naman. No? But gusto ko lang sabihin din sa mga network marketer, ito personal opinion ko lang. There's no one way to build network marketing. If you would tell me that the only way to build network marketing is offline, and pagtatawanan nyo yung online, think again. Yun lang naman yung akin. No? That's my personal opinion. Opinion ko to. So anyway, going back. So, balik offline talaga, balik office. Pero na-realize ko that people are starting to, medyo nagiging dragging na. Nagiging dragging na yung pagbalik. Nagiging dragging na. Hello, Sir Dante. Good evening. Hello, Rids Malin. Hello, Gina. Good evening sa inyo. Kamusta kayo? So, nagiging dragging na. So, sabi ko, and the sales drop. Yung team ko, drop yung sales and all. After a year after the pandemic. Sabi ko, something is wrong and I need to fix this. What I did was, of course, I'm trying to do things for my team, pero I started to fix where will I get my prospect. There, I realized that there's so many pool of prospect online. I started to do my branding and I started to do the right messaging. To cut a long story short, right now, as of the moment, as I speak and I do this, I have more than 900,000 followers across all social media. To be exact, I have maybe 1 million followers right now. Okay? And I'm just happy with it. And it really saved my business. Paano siya na-save ang business ko? Because hindi na ako nahihirapan mag-prospect. And majority of people are coming to me, asking me, inquiring about my business, about my community, about my everything. Like it's just amazing. It's just amazing to see na meron ganun. Meron ganung way to build. So it saved my personal, my business, and I'm just happy right now. So with all that said, okay? Sa tingin mo ba, gusto kong tanungin to Hello Ma'am Fe, hello Nico, magandang araw. Sa tingin mo ba, kung matututunan mo yun, yung sinabi ko, yung nag-transfer ako from offline, and then nag-online, and then basically I learned how to do my personal branding and messaging. Kung matututunan mo yun, sa tingin mo ba, malaki ang matutulong nun sa growth ng network marketing business mo? Type mo yes. Type mo yes. Malaki ba ang magiging growth nun sa network marketing business mo? What do you think? Sa tingin mo? Type mo yes. If you would know, basically like, one day you wake up, and then people are asking you to join your team, do you think, ano yung magiging impact nun sa network marketing business mo? Kasi, on the other side, if hindi ako nag-improve or nag-innovate or nag-discover ng mga bagong strategy, most probably, hindi ko alam kung nasaan ako right now. Kaya ako sinasabi ito that this one strategy really helped me when I understood how to play the game in online. Now, marami po mga network marketers, hindi po tama ang paglaro nila ng game nila online. I'm just saying this with all love. I'm not here to bash you whatever, okay? Pero hindi talaga tama yung paano ginagawa ang pag-build online. Sinasabi ko na, nakikita ko na. Nakikita ko kasi marami ako nakikita. Now, I don't want to help you. So I will conduct a live course program. I call it the Dominate 2.0. And the Dominate 2.0 is a collaboration of 3 different courses. Tatlo to. So you can go to dominatemlm.com. I'm gonna post this here. Okay? Binabasa ko guys Yan, dominatemlm.com. Right? So ano yung isa bagay matututunan mo dun? Matututunan mo dito, eto. Yung sinabi ko lang kanina. Okay? Yung sinabi ko kanina na paano ba ako nailigtas ng ganitong sistema, like specifically in terms of online, sa network marketing business ko. Isa sa mga mentors ko, tinuruan kami ng isang mindset. Sabi niya, it's either you innovate or you evaporate. And and again, hindi ako against kung ano man yung ginagawa mo right now sa pag-network. Ituloy mo yan kung nagwo-work for you. Yet, ang suggestion ko sa'yo, mga minamahal na network marketers, wag po kayong magsastuck kung nasaan kayo. We keep on improving, we keep on growing, we keep on seeking answers. Agree ba kayo doon? Kasi kung naniniwala ka talaga na malaki ang potential ng network marketing, okay? Kung naniniwala ka na ang network marketing ay talagang napakalaking potential ng business na to, bakit hindi natin aralin kung paano gawin nito? Tama ba? So let me explain this one. So November 7 to 9 and November 14 to 16, this is 12-hour jam-pack live. Okay? So I will conduct this training. So if hindi ka pa nag-register dito, I want you to register because ang goal natin dito, ikaw yung magiging next superstar ng network marketing. Diba? So ano yung matutunan mo dito? Una, I'm gonna teach here auto-closing ng prospect using chatbot AI. You would realize how, I mean, this one right here, I've been implementing this already sa page na to. Nakakatuwa ito. So, Chatbot AI, if you want to learn how about to auto-close your prospect, like, hindi ka dapat yung ikipag-usap, but rather, you would use this tool. Sino gusto mo tingin? Maganda ba yun? At punta ka ng dominatemlm.com. Okay? Matututunan mo dito kung paano ang dadami, ito yung sinasabi ko, paano dadami yung prospect mo, paano dadami yung nakakilala sa'yo online. Using the 24/7 posting. You wouldn't believe this one. You wouldn't believe. I'll tell you wouldn't believe this one. Gigising ka sa umaga, naka-generate na yung content, at naka-post na yung content. Every single day. I'm gonna teach you how to set up that one. Diba? I don't know. But if that's interest you, that's really amazing. I'll tell you. You're gonna save a lot of time if you learn this one. Makaka-save ka ng oras. Every time, lalo na kung full-time kang, may full-time work ka, you wanna do this, it's really amazing. Matututunan mo pa paano dadami ang pay-in mo without using a sales funnel. So, 24/7 automation yan. And matututunan mo, itong napakaganda. Matututunan mo yung tamang DM flow na script as well. So, etong DM flow at saka script na tinuturo ko has helped, marami akong student na nag-double yung pay-in rate nila because of this. Kasi a lot of network marketers are using a very weak DM flow. So, punta ka ng dominatemlm.com. Another one, gusto kong sabihin to. Since a lot of you here, I love you guys. And good news ko dito sa mga naka-register na. Good news ko sa mga naka-register. Kung naka-register ka na, type mo dito, see you, coach. Yan. Sige nga, type mo dyan. Kung naka-register ka na sa Dominate MLM, Dominate 2.0, type mo, see you, coach. Good news dito sa mga register na. Kasi ang dami na nag-register actually. Ang dami na nag-register. Ang dami na actually. And I'm gonna give you for free one of my amazing course, which is the duplication blueprint. Okay? Usually, ang problem ng mga network marketers, hindi alam kung paano sila mag-duplicate. Tama ba? Marami kang pay-ins, maraming mga pumapasok pero walang nagsistay. Tama ba? Don't you know that I created a course for that? I discontinue selling this course kasi I just keep it private na yung course na to. Last year ko to nilaunch tong course na to. As in, this is 8 powerful lessons about duplication. Napakaganda na itong course na to, no? And if you are someone na naghahanap ka ng kasagutan, paano talaga mag-duplicate? Ganun, di ba? I'm gonna give this to you for free. I'm gonna give this to you for free if you register sa dominatemlm.com. That is on November 7 and November 9, and then November 14 to 16, 8 p.m. Philippine time. Okay? So may libre ka. So if you wanna get this for free, go to Dominate MLM, register ka, get your slot. Okay? So, anyway, going back. So, if hindi ako nag-innovate, if hindi ako nag-isip ng tamang strategy kung paano gawin yung business, if hindi ako nag-take ng risk, to really think, okay, I think I have to reconsider and recalibrate yung ginagawa ko. If hindi ganun yung way of thinking ko, most probably, baka hindi ako naririnig right now dito. But because of that, right now, our business is flourishing. I love the team that I'm building. Sobrang powerful ng mga teammates ko right now. As in, yung mga dong join sa amin, sa team namin, sobrang gagaling. Ewan ko. Basta na-amaze lang ako sa gagaling. Tapos walang keme-keme, walang arte. Lalo na yung mga, wala talagang, baba na talaga sa pagna-network. Ganong style, di ba? So, yun ang gusto kong ituro sa inyo kung paano ko ginagawa. But of course, I can't do that here, and even sa webinar kong so go to dominatemlm.com. You would be surprised how much the price is. But these are the things that I'm going to teach you because I love network marketing and I love you guys. And I mean, I'm so much concerned with so many people in network marketing na sabi ko, I hope yung mga gitong program existing before. No? I'm just grateful with my mentors in upline. I learned a lot from them. But this one I'm going to teach you, I assure you, hindi mo ito narinig sa iba. Sigurado ako dun. Anyway, so go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com, you would see there. This will make you stand out in your network marketing business. Imagine nyo guys, gusto kong isipin nyo to. Ilang network marketers na mga Pilipino? Ang dami guys. More than million, maybe there's a million or hundreds and thousands. Paano ako magsa-stand out? You know how you're gonna stand out? Learn how to dominate the game. That's the way you're gonna stand out. Kaya marami dito, ang problema, saturated ang market, wala na akong market, hindi problema saturation ng market. The reason why your problem is saturation of market because you don't know how to play the game to dominate it. And that's what I'm going to teach at the course. Go to dominatemlm.com. Dominatemlm.com. Okay? See you guys. Yun na naman for me. If you find value into this, tag nyo mga ka-teammates dito. And this is really, really an exciting program to do. God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Ano kaya ang pakiramdam nagigising ka sa umaga na may content ka nang nakapost while your audience is commenting, liking, and sharing it every single day in automation? Imagine ang oras na matitipid mo. Imagine, every day meron kang client na napepresentahan 24/7 kahit wala kang sales funnel na gamit. Ito ang malulupit na lesson na ituturo ko sa Dominate 2.0 program on November 7 to 9 and November 14 to 16, 8 p.m. Philippine time. Hindi kaya ng isang oras na webinar ang mga lessons na ituturo ko, kaya naglaan ako ng 12 hours jam-packed learning for network marketers na gustong mag-dominate at pagod na sa kakagapang sa industriyang ito. Check all the lessons na matututunan mo sa dominatemlm.com. Makikita mo doon na kung iisa-isahin natin ay 61,000 pesos in total ang enrollment fee nito. Pero dahil mahal ko ang network marketing business at mahalaga sa akin ang mga network marketers, you will get access sa live program for only 3,900 pesos. Plus, I am extending the lifetime access sa membership, kaya register ka na ngayon habang lifetime pa. Go to dominatemlm.com, dominatemlm.com. See you sa live session natin on November 7 to 9 and November 14 to 16, 8 p.m. Let's go break through sa network marketing businesses natin.